Everyone has heard of the Goodwill, but no one has heard of the Goodwill Academy. Even I was shocked when I heard of the program and its benefits and what it had to offer. Hello, family. My name is Joe Brown, aka Black Phoenix, and I am the Academy welding instructor. Here at the Academy, we teach welding in 4 positions: stick welding and flux core welding / MIG welding. We also teach the introduction to TIG and how to use the cutting torch and plasma torch. And we teach you how to read blueprints and weld symbols. We do all of this in approximately 350 hours, which is around 16 weeks. You can pick the AM or the PM. AM shifts normally starts around 8 o'clock to 12. PM is from 1 to 5. The classes normally go through Monday through Thursday, and Friday is a day you can come in to make up or to practice and to sharpen your skills. I really believe this 16-week program is life-changing. You should tell someone about the program. Also about the SAIL program. It can help you get your Arkansas High School diploma, and then you can leave that program and enter the Academy and pick you a free trade. That's right, a free trade. And I can teach you welding.